Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into crucial credit building hacks to fast-track your score. Whether you're starting from scratch or boosting an existing score, these tips will set you on the right path. So, let's get started. Let's start with the most fundamental rule: paying your bills on time. This simple habit can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Always pay your bills on time. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score, making it harder to get loans or credit cards. Think of your credit score as a report card for lenders. Late payments are like big, fat Fs that can haunt you for years. Set payment reminders or automate payments to avoid late fees and credit score dips. These small steps can make a big difference. Trust me, your future self will thank you for being diligent and responsible with your finances. Now, let's talk about credit utilization. It's a crucial aspect of managing your finances effectively. High credit utilization is a major red flag for lenders. It indicates that you are heavily reliant on credit. It suggests you might be living beyond your means and could struggle to make payments. This can lead to a vicious cycle of debt. Imagine walking into a bank for a loan, reeking of desperation because you're drowning in credit card debt. The bank is likely to see you as a high-risk borrower. Aim to keep your credit utilization low. Ideally, it should be below 30% of your total credit limit. This shows lenders that you are responsible with your credit. A good rule of thumb is to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means if you have a credit limit of $1,000, you should aim to use no more than $300 of that limit. Ideally, pay off your balance in full each month, but staying below 30% is crucial. This practice not only helps in maintaining a good credit score, but also ensures you don't fall into debt. Your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistent effort to build and maintain a strong score. By being mindful of your spending habits, you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. Regularly reviewing your credit report and making timely payments are key steps in this journey. Closing old credit card accounts can actually hurt your score. Your credit history plays a significant role in determining your creditworthiness. Lenders like to see a track record of responsible credit management. Diversifying your credit mix can benefit your credit score. Having different types of credit demonstrates to lenders that you can handle various types of debt responsibly. A healthy mix can work in your favor. Every time you apply for new credit, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report. A few hard inquiries won't kill your score, but constant applications can raise red flags. It might make you look desperate for credit, perceived as a higher risk. Consider whether you really need that new credit card. Regularly check your credit report to stay informed about your credit health. You can access your credit report for free from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. Review your reports carefully for any inaccuracies. If you spot any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the respective credit bureau. Leaving errors unaddressed can negatively impact your credit score. A secured credit card can be a great tool for building or rebuilding your credit score. By using a secured card responsibly, you can demonstrate responsible credit behavior. This paves the way for a better credit score. Co-signing a loan involves risks. You're vouching for the primary borrower's ability to repay. If they miss payments or default, it impacts your credit score. Ensure you're comfortable with the responsibility and potential risk. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Building a good credit score takes time, effort, and consistent responsible financial behavior. See you in the next video.